Mag-record ako! Hello, it's Ivy again. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. For those who haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel for more arts and crafts and science homeworks and project tutorials. So today we are going to unbox this package that I got from Amazon. Actually, I already opened it, but I haven't checked the items inside yet. So let's check it out. And as you can see here behind me is my workspace. I have my sewing machine. I do all my arts and crafts here, and some of my work on the back, my calligraphy. And yeah, let's open this box. Well, it's already open. Like I said, I haven't checked the inside, so let's see. I ordered a headphone from Amazon, and this is such a good deal because I only got this for $9.99 for 2 headphones already, or foam heads. What is it called? Foam head. There you go, foam head. And let's open it. There. So it's good for wigs, and I use this for my mask and my headbands like the one I'm using, and my face shield. So yep, I got 2 of those. And then let's see what else. And then since I will be working from home, I have, let's see what's this. Okay, so I'm really dependent on my Wi-Fi. So I have this adapter. Oops. 2 in a pack. It's $7.99 and you already get 2. So this is for the Ethernet and to connect it to your laptop, USB. Yes. 2 of those because I do my classes online, so it's very important that I will have a stable internet connection. Next is I have this from Neolux. And let's see, since a lot of my time I spend making masks and headbands. Oh, this is really cute. They have a card. It says, "Good luck. My heart is beating because of you." And there's nothing inside, but yep. It's just a card that says "Good luck" and a thank you card from Neoloons. Yes, thank you, Neoloons. Oh, this is from South Korea. I love Korean products. And so what I have is a bias tape maker set. Yes, you know what a bias tape is? Since I'm making some face shields, and this is how it looks like. So, you know, when you have this tape on the side, that is what you call bias tape. And it's pretty hard if you do it manually and without this equipment. So now it will be easy. So let's open it. So the model number is CYBTM S1. So let's open it. And of course you have the manual. This is called an owl, AWL, to push the fabric. And then we have the ball pins. And this is the adjustable bias binder foot. This is such a lifesaver. And then we have 1/4 inch of the bias tape maker, or 6 millimeters. And then this yellow one is 12 millimeters or 1/2 inch of the bias tape maker. The red one is 18 millimeters, which is 3/4 inch. And then we also have 1 inch or 25 millimeters. So different sizes for different bias tape sizes. Of course, this is the most important part of the show. So this is my 4th one. Ikaupat na rin akong palit og garter. So here in America, they don't use the word garter, but only elastic. So this is my 4th elastic. And this is 100 yards or 120 yards, I believe. And wow! Wait. They gave me a card. It says saying thank you for the purchase, and wow, And the free ear saver. So this is where you put the elastic behind your head. So it will save your ears. Save your ears.
Save your ears para di masakit ang galunggan.
This is where you attach the ear loop or the elastic. It will release the pressure or reduce the pressure on your ears. I didn't expect this, but they gave me extra wires for the nose wire. You know, you put it inside your mask and like that, so it will fit your nose like that. Yes. And I'll show you how I use my stuff. Yes. Thank you. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you next time. Bye.